Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Made in Heaven. This powerful stand rapidly accelerates the flow of time across the entire universe. While inanimate objects and the environment speed up dramatically, living beings like you and me perceive time at a normal rate. This creates a disorienting effect where the world around you is a blur, but your own actions feel perfectly natural. The core mechanic involves a continuous, ever-increasing acceleration of time. Imagine days passing in minutes, then seconds. While you might feel normal, the sun races across the sky, and seasons change in moments. This acceleration applies to everything except the user and other living beings, who experience time at their usual pace, making the world around them a rapidly shifting blur. The ultimate consequence of Made in Heaven's power is a complete universal reset. Time accelerates so rapidly that it loops back to the beginning, creating a brand new universe. This new world is essentially a copy of the old one, but with a crucial difference. All living beings are reborn with a subconscious understanding of their future. The true purpose behind Made in Heaven is to guide humanity to a state of ultimate peace and acceptance. By experiencing the universal reset and gaining foreknowledge of their destiny, people will no longer fear the unknown. They will understand their future, accept their fate, and live without anxiety or doubt. This profound understanding is what the user believes constitutes heaven.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.